Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to see WordPress plugin called Mail Engine, which is a wonderful plugin which allows all you email marketers to create subscription lists, manage your emails, see the people who are subscribed to your list, edit them, and compose and schedule mail to them to be sent automatically at a specific time. This is the dashboard view of the WordPress Mail Engine, and we will see one by one each one of these sections. You can see here in this dashboard itself that a collated information shows up, and like how many mails have been composed, how many mails have been delivered, pending mails, how many of them have been opened by your subscribers, and within those emails, if you had sent them a link for visiting your websites, how many of those subscribers have clicked on those links, and last but not the least, you see the number of subscribers who have opted in using the subscription forms that were created by the WP Mail Engine itself. Each one of these boxes colored over here, you can click on them and go and see the details about them. For example, right now I am under pending mails and I can see which of those mails were not sent and why they were not sent. What was the error message, which could be due to wrong email ID, password. Also to notice in the bottom of this dashboard is a collated detail of all the emails that have been sent so far, how many of those emails that were sent have been seen and opened by your visitors, and within those emails which were opened, if you had even some links which your subscribers could click, if somebody had visited those sites, then that would also be detected and the count for the clicked will go up in that case. If among your subscribers, if anybody has decided to unsubscribe from your list, then that will also be tracked and recorded. Some of the other great fantastic features in the plugin are you can configure many SMTPs, different types of SMTPs are supported. We definitely support a professional SMTP. Yes, of course, the WordPress PHP email option is also supported, and you can configure many of those free SMTP servers like Gmail, Yahoo, not one but many. They can share the load of sending and bulk mailing to a huge group, and that way even if you don't have a professional SMTP, still a group of many email IDs can be shared by these free SMTPs. Another great innovation here is the integration of Gmail and G Suite. Mind you, this is just a feature which is charged by many other products in the market, but here it's part of the Mail Engine and you pay nothing extra for it. And what you get is the ability to use products like Gmail and G Suite accounts to send the emails. As you may know, with G Suite and this ability together, you should be able to send up to 2000 mails legally every day. And don't forget, with Mail Engine, you have the ability to pair together many of these SMTPs to overcome the daily mail restrictions and have the same experience of a professional SMTP without having to pay for it. The From Email section can allow you to configure the From details, and you can use them for different use case scenarios with different From email IDs, From name, and the reply name. The list is the place where you can create manual lists which can collect the subscribers who are opting in through the WP Mail Engine, as well as you can also manually add email IDs into these lists, and even if you have from your past a CSV file where all your subscribers are listed in that Excel CSV file, then that can be imported into these lists as well. Compose mail section obviously allows you to compose your mail, and you can select your SMTP servers, as many of them as needed. You can also compose the mail to be sent to different groups of email IDs, many lists. The mails that have been sent in the past will be listed over here. The mails which are scheduled for the future will be listed over here, and the subscription forms that you have created with the WP Mail Engine will be listed over here. And you will see how to put them in your posts, in your pages, in your WordPress sites. So once you start using this wonderful product, you will definitely have a lot of mails in your dashboard, and there is a filter option right there on the dashboard which allows you to filter and see only the mails, and I'll be able to see only the mails that were sent in the last 15 days. We have added some new great features for composing the mail just to make sure that your mails reach out to your target audience and they don't get filtered as bulk or spam mails by the ESPs. They are all under the compose mail sections and other places. They will be elaborated in detail in each of those section tutorial videos, so don't miss out on them. Just to give give you a heads up on what they are. There is a great feature about spam score checking, which will allow you to check any words that are used in your email which can be detected as a spam word, as a junk word. So this will allow you to keep a check on that. And there are options in spin settings which will help you to draft a unique mail for each user. Spin text feature allows you to specify a group of words or text which will be used alternately in different combinations to make mails unique so that they are not caught as bulk mails by the ESPs. You basically get the ability to draft a template mail with many alternate words separated using pipe symbol, and Mail Engine will use those words in various combinations to send out unique mails to your audience. Similarly, Spin URL uses JavaScript instead of standard HTML redirection and hides your URLs from the ESPs. Spin URLs will work only when a real user clicks on them, and it will then detect and decode the actual target site through your Mail Engine JavaScript. Only then they will be taken to the actual target site. So no ESPs can detect those target sites, and hence your mails will not be detected as spams and bulk mails by the ESPs. From there itself, you'll be able to convert your email and directly make them into a post in your WordPress site or a page on your WordPress site as well. So these are some of the wonderful and unique features which makes the Mail Engine stand out. So that's a quick summary of the WordPress Mail Engine plugin, and we will see each one of these features in the different sections appropriately. So let's get started.